off to the airport.
Excited.
Okay, we made it in 20 minutes, record time, no traffic. There's a whole lot of people, full of people.
Face mask at all times and maintain a social.
Okay, check-in was fast, and now going through X-ray. There's no people where I am, so that should be pretty fast too. So going through check-in and the X-ray was kind of super fast and somewhat anticlimactic. But I'm ready to go now. I have about an hour and a half. Yeah, an hour and a half, almost 2 hours, and I'll hang out for a couple of hours. That was so quick. It was almost disappointing. I kind of wanted it to be much more exciting since it's my first flight, but in and out, just like that, pretty fast. Yeah, the sun. Boarding, getting to the plane now, and I'm so excited. Nobody cared about any of my vaccinations. Nobody cared about the paperwork I filled up, my negative COVID test. Nobody checked any paperwork. There was a declaration that I had to print out that I'm vaccinated or I'll quarantine. Nobody cared about anything. So I can't wait to fly out.
You're on 1A.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
of course,
actually
you gotta
down
be
there.
1A. Right there. Hi, welcome.
Ten minutes to take off. Almost there. I can feel it. I can feel the sun. So exciting.
Our first officer today, she'll be flying us all down to San Juan on behalf of us, your New York-based flight attendants. We do appreciate you joining us today. Delta Flight 639, service to San Juan. Usually this is where the crowd goes wild. I only get an hour down there. You're going to spend a lot more time than that down there in that beautiful paradise. We're delighted you're with us. We have a 3-hour and 12-minute flight for you today. That's from takeoff to touchdown. The New York construction crews are doing a little road work as we exit New York here, so I've asked the flight attendants to stay seated after takeoff. We're expecting some bumps in the middle altitudes as we climb on the way up. So bear with us. I'll have them stay seated until I deem it safe for them to commence service to you, which we are happy that we have recommenced service as of recently. So weather down in San Juan for the arrival. They'll have partly cloudy skies, 88 wonderful degrees, winds blowing in out of the east at 15 miles per hour, trying to keep you comfortable. We're delighted you're with us. We'll be on the way in a moment. We should be able to get you into San Juan early this morning. Thanks for joining us today. Welcome aboard.
Flight attendants, prepare doors for departure. Cross-check and all call, please.
Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright, your aisle armrest and headrest are lowered, and your tray table is put away.
Please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
In the cockpit, I'm seeing something that I haven't seen in quite some time, an actual lineup of airplanes waiting to take off. The good news is it's a short lineup for us today. We'll have Stacy talk to you one more time before we get to the runway, probably be about another 10 minutes here.
secured. Finally, please check around your seat for any remaining cups, glasses, or any other items you'd like to discard. We'll pass them to the flight attendants as we come through the aisle. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you.
Landed, waiting for the door to open.
Thank you. Well, hi. I'm on camera.
That was a perfect flight. Thank you so much.
Glad you enjoyed it. It was her fault. She did
Was it?
The lady over here did it. It was her fault. It was a perfect
We have a
flight.
lady pilot.
The men don't fly as well as the women. The women are excellent, excellent pilots.
It's probably hot outside, right?
A 90, Captain, was it 90 degrees outside?
It is. 90 degrees, wind's blowing enough to mess my hair up.
Put your swimsuit on and let's go.
Yeah, if only. I
Come
got
on.
just enough time to make it over to the beach and then the plane will be leaving, so.
Oh no. Well, I'll have
We're due
one
out
for
at
you.
127.
You flying back to New York?
Yeah, you'll see us as we turn out.
Well, I hope to have you back on the 29th.
Okay, sounds good. Let's see. Not sure if I'm flying that.
Stacy and
Stacy's
Dan.
the one you want,
Stacy and Dan.
Incredible. Thank you so much.
You bet. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Dan, enjoy your
Grace, I hope to see you. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, that was amazing. Coming out. Okay, out of the flight. Now up to passport control, see if they'll ask me for vaccine or if you'll fill up any paperwork. I pre-filled and printed everything, so hopefully I'll be out of here really, really fast. So let's see.
Your attention, please.
Here is my glorified driver. Look at this one. Look at her. Hi. Welcome. So, beauty. Puerto Rico. Thank you. Let's go. Oh my God, we're
You're in person!
I'm a real person.
You look so good! What you were saying? Come on!
Thank you so much for having me. It's such a pleasure.
Oh, you're so happy!
Look at this. Paradise. If this is not paradise, I don't know what is.
I'm pointing.
Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here. You have no idea. Last trip I took was to Dominican Republic, Punta Cana, and then the pandemic started, and now my first trip is here. So 2 bookends, tropical paradise. Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
We are very close to the hotel. And there is restaurant, and we definitely will be
Excellent.
And here is the way.
And here's my room. Wow, I have a whole bathtub. This is all for me?
Yes, this is on yours.
This is beautiful. Ah, best view ever. Oh my God. This is incredible. This is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Can I open? Because of the air conditioner? You pull, I can't pull it. Oh, you just gotta pull them. Look at that view. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, now I'm filming. I'll be right out.